Hey, if your dog has hip and joint issues, this is something we've been trying for quite a while now, and I really just got around to actually making a video. This is going to be the VetriScience brand Glycoflex, and this is actually Glycoflex, and this is going to be for hip and joint pain. So if your dog actually has issues with arthritis, hip dysplasia, joint stiffness, but also mobility issues, this is something that's been pretty effective and we've used for quite a while. It comes in a form factor where it actually has some different chews here. And normally you get 1 to 2 of these per every 10 pounds for your dog. Our experience with this, we started to see some of the stiffness go away, increased flexibility, probably within a month and a half, almost 2 months. So that's kind of been our experience. We were actually recommended by a veterinarian, so we started using it. So one thing I do like about it, I started doing my research before we actually started using it. Most formulas or most brands start out really looking at using the glucosamine more so than anything else. That's going to be the main ingredient. One thing I do like about this brand, it actually has more of a complex composition as far as what they use in the formula. So glucosamine is actually one of those main informants, but also green lip mussel and also MSN, which is methyl nitholane. Which is actually one of those active ingredients as well too. So you start to see more flexibility, more joint movement, increased flexibility, and you start to see them moving a lot easier. That's probably the best sign I can give you. Let's look at the ingredients on the back of here. You can see the different ingredients here, and I'll talk a little bit about the glucosamine. And you can see the concentration or the percentages on the package here. Take a great look. Actually, be careful actually on the serving size. So 1 or 2 of the chews. Let me show you kind of what this looks like. This is actually one of them. Normally 1 or 2 of these per every 10 pounds. So if your dog is actually 20 pounds, if you're going to use 2 of these per, it'll be 4. I normally would start off with 1 chew per 10 pounds and then see how your dog actually tolerates it at 1 chew. And then you can go up from there if you need to. I like it because it does have quite a few actually in this package. And we've been extremely pleased with using it, especially as the dogs get a little bit older and they start having joint issues or arthritis. We always have a supplement or have something to kind of help dogs get through that phase as well too. So definitely very pleased with this one. I definitely recommend you give it a try. This is going to be the VetriScience Glycoflex.